Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you how to fix window activation error code 0XC004F213 on Windows 10 or Windows 11 in 2025. This error usually pops up when Windows can't find a valid license key, especially after replacing hardware like your motherboard or hard drive. Let's fix it step by step. So, what is error code 0XC004F213? It basically means Windows reported that no product key was found on your device. This usually happens when you have done a clean install, you have replaced hardware, or the activation info wasn't synced properly with your Microsoft account. But don't worry, it's fixable. So use the activation tool troubleshooter. So open the setting option. Here you can see the skin and go to the system, and to find the activation scroll down. Here you can see this activation. To click the activation, and you will see a message like Windows is not activate, or Windows reported that no product key was found on your device, error code 0XC004F213. So click troubleshooter. Then Windows will try to detect your license and reactivate it. If your device linked to your Microsoft account, this often works automatically. Then manually enter product key. If troubleshooter doesn't work, try manually entering your product key. So go to the settings and do some same. So and go to the system and to click on activation, and here you can see this change product key. Enter your 25-digit license key. If you bought a retail key, it will be in your email or product box. If your PC came pre-installed, check the sticker or manufacturer label. Click next, then activate. And reactive after hardware change. If you change your hardware recently, here's what to do. Log in with your Microsoft account and go to the settings and activation. Here you can see this settings and account. Here you can see the activation is, then account settings, then click I change hardware on this device recently. Select your old device from the list. Then click the device I am using right now and confirm. This will relink your license or the new setup. If it's still not working, you can contact Microsoft support directly. Go to the support.microsoft.com, then use the get help apps in Windows, or call your region's Microsoft customer service number. They can verify your license and help activate it manually. Here you can see this get help, troubleshoot activation, error in Office, how to install Office, then fix Ethernet connection problem, setup scanner in Windows. Hope you are enjoying this video and it helps for you. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.